Before you get started, you want to make sure that your table's free of any ammunition, vodka, or cats. Then, you're going to want to take your knife in your spotless kitchen and get your onion quartered up. Remember, we don't dice onions in this house because it fucking hurts. This is going in the Ninja. Once you've diced or slightly chopped your onions, we're going to put them in the Ninja. So the saute setting on the crock pot is super awesome because I don't have to dirty up the pan. I can just get everything sweated right in here, and then if I want, I can dump out some of that bacon grease. But why would I do that? So one thing that's advantageous about cooking with bacon is that you don't have to use any oil. Like the recipe a lot of times will say you're supposed to saute the onion and garlic or whatever in oil, but as long as you cook bacon in that pan, you're going to have plenty of fat to fry things in. So we're going to get these onions. Remember, we like them to be about translucent-ish, sort of see-through. And then we'll add the rest of our stuff. Alright, I forgot to mention that bacon needed to be cut up. So I just kind of maneuvered my spatula around and got it somewhat into bite-sized pieces. Alright, everything's looking pretty good. Now we're going to add in the celery. There we go. Now we're going to start whisking in what's going to make the basis for the, I don't know if you call it broth or what. So let's get that going. Okay, I'm not sure if I made it obvious or not, but I don't really like measuring things often. This time it's kind of important. So 3 cups of milk, third of a cup of buttermilk, two-thirds of a cup sour cream, a little bit extra here. I just wanted to finish using it. Wow, this is hard to do with one hand. Okay. Generous portion of bouillon. And then I'm gonna put in 2 more cups of water because I'm trying to go for volume here. And like I said, I may or may not end up adding more flour. But I think now that I put that water in, this is about what we're looking for in terms of soupiness. And we're going to be putting in absolutely no less than 2 cups of cheddar cheese. This is the Mexican blend, but who cares? It's cheese. So that was 1 and 2. And if you don't think that this already looks and smells amazing, why are you still watching the video? That all mixed in there. It's a lovely, like, I don't know, cream color. Looks delicious. A little thick, so I am going to put in probably an extra half cup of water. Some diced chives, fresh would be preferable, but beggars can't be choosers. It's pretty much going to taste like a loaded baked potato. That's what I should call this, my loaded baked potato soup. Some parsley, also would be optimal if it was fresh. Whatever. It's all incorporated, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna slow cook for an hour and a half, maybe less if I can't control myself, because this smells delicious. And that'll be it. You guys thought that I forgot to put potatoes in. Why would I do that? It's my recipe, and also it's a critical element to the dish. I wouldn't forget that. Air frying those for, I don't know, until they're soft enough to go in the soup. Yes, I forgot the potatoes. Okay, so I took a nice shower, among other things, and added the potatoes in after they were done air frying up. And just look at all of that. Beautiful. So good. It's ready to go. You can boil those potatoes, but it was a mistake that I air fried them, since I completely forgot them at first. But I'm actually really glad I did, because I think it's going to add a nice, like, crisp element to the bite. So let's get that plated up. There we go. Ooh. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching.